This is a video for project number 1, the Morse code generator from Jen Sparrow and Evan Walls. Here's our board setup that we have for the first project, a Uno R3 connected to a breadboard which has an LCD and an LED attached to it. The LCD will be used to get a little bit extra information about the output, about what string is being displayed, as well as what character is currently being represented in Morse code on the LED that is right here. Up above that we have a serial monitor which will also give us a little bit of debug information. Currently it displays welcome to the Morse code generator, which is kind of just an indicator to us that it is ready to go. Let me flip the light off so we can see the board a little bit better. Currently the code is just looping, waiting for the user to input a string. So if I type a string up here in the serial window and press enter, it will start displaying various type of debug information about what character it's printing and what Morse code is currently being generated for each individual character. Now down here on the actual board in the LCD we see the same string on the first line, and in the second line we see what character is currently being decoded on the LED, whether it be the dots or dashes or dits or das as they're specifically called. So to go through and process each individual character in the string and display it on the LCD, and when it reaches the end of the string, it'll loop back and begin processing the same string again, unless the user has inputted another string or if the sentinel character has been entered. So there we can see it started to go back to the beginning, so we're processing the same string that we just input again, and that'll go on forever until the sentinel character is received or a new one is entered. So if we go up to the serial and enter a smaller string of AB and press enter, well, you can see down here on the LCD that the string hasn't actually changed yet. Since we're doing this in a round-robin fashion, it'll finish processing the string we've given it, then check for a new string and begin the loop again. So as soon as this finishes, we should see it transition to processing AB. Okay, so now it'll start processing AB and continue doing that forever, unless we go back up here and enter our sentinel character, press enter, come back down here. When it finishes processing, we should see it say goodbye and end its loop. So now the program has stopped running. If we come back up here and enter any other number of characters, nothing happens because the program has exited. So that completes the video for project number 1.